To make your own beer pong table, first get a 4 by 8 foot, 1¼ by 2½ meter piece of plywood that's 1/2 inch thick or 1¼ centimeters thick. Cut the plywood in half widthwise using a table or circular saw. These will be the two ends of your table. Next, cut 8 pieces of 2 by 6 inch, 5 by 15 centimeter framing lumber and arrange them in two 4 by 4 foot, 1¼ by 1¼ meter square frames. Nail the pieces together. Then nail a frame to the bottom of each plywood square. Flip both ends of the table over, frame side up, and push them together so they're flush. Then, center a piano hinge over the flush frames and screw it into place. This will allow you to fold your table in half when you're not using it. Buy folding legs for your table and drill them into the bottom of each end. Finally, sand and paint your beer pong table if you'd like to decorate it.